How to create and use shared albums in Photos. Let's get started. Open your Photos app. Now head towards the album option. At the top left, you will find this plus icon. Tap on it. Select the option Use Shared Album. Now you can give a name to the album. After you do that, tap on the option Next. Now from this page, you can add people to the shared album. You can add up to 100 people. Make sure you use the email address, phone number, or the name of anyone associated with Apple ID. After you add them, you can tap on the option Create. After you create the album, now you can add photos and videos to the album. So tap on the album. Now tap on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now you can choose the photos and videos that you want to add in your shared album. After you select it, tap on the option of Add. Before posting photos and videos, you can add something as a caption. And then tap on the option Post. Now the people whom you have added to the shared album will get notification. They can head towards the For You page and accept the invitation. After they accept the invitation, they will be able to get access to this album, and also they will be able to share the photos in the album. So this is how you can create and use shared albums in Photos. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.